We can grow most of the vegetables throughout the year. Even then, it is better to avoid putting winter crops like cabbage and cauliflower in peak summer. Tomato, chili and few other plants are affected by insects a lot in summer months. Stunted growth is also common. However, we will get some crop irrespective of the season. It is recommended to sow seeds directly in some crops and transplanting of seedlings in a few others. Direct sowing of seeds is advised in bitter gourd, bottle gourd, cucumber, beans varieties, pumpkin, watermelon, snake gourd, beetroot, carrot, radish, okra, green peas, etc. Transplanting of seedlings is recommended in brinjal, tomato, chili, capsicum, onion, garlic, lettuce, cabbage, cauliflower, knoll cole, etc. Plastic pro tray or net pot is useful for nursery raising. Put light growing media such as vermicompost or coco peat. Sow one seed in each hole. Spread a thin layer of same media again. Water it lightly and keep the tray under partial shade. We get healthy and stout seedlings in this method. Transplant them at 15 days stage. Carefully take out the seedlings with a media ball around the root. Plant the same in the pot and water it regularly. We can protect the costly seeds from ants and other insects easily in this method. Transplanting in crops recommended for direct sowing will result in poor growth of the plant. For example, transplanted radish or carrot will not produce tuber. In the same way, delayed transplanting of seedlings lead to stunted growth.